Wow, brilliant. I was doing a reading right here, and this is what has come up for you. This energy was so intense to even channelize it to you. Took me literally 30 seconds for me to channel this energy. You are so lucky. You found this at a time that never in my career, in my tarot reading career, I have put up this video at this time or place. It's so real, so raw, without any edits, hashtag music, nothing, because this is what is happening in your life. Finally, in your love life, really, trust me, every time that you claim this energy by following me and writing below, I claim never ever that it has happened, that it hasn't come true. Every time that you claim and follow and close this with trust, it comes true every time. And this time it's so intense that if you miss it, you are really going to regret that in your love life. Your partner, your specific person, your person in the past may have cheated you. There would have been a third party, has not been real to you, has not been completely honest to you, has not taken care of you, and not really given you what you deserved. But now I see they are regretting. Now you are the world to them. They have left the third party. They are going to go to any limit to make you theirs. They are going to be with you, and this person really want to see you in long term. They are seeing you in long term. Mark my words, in 7 days. Make sure claim this in the comments and follow, because in 7 days, once you do this, in 7 days you are going to see this person coming to you, really confronting all their mistakes from their heart, wanting to make you there, and they will really expect you to forgive them. When I received the 3 of Swords, I felt the depth of the heartbreak you carry, silent tears, the betrayal that cut deep. But then the world also appeared here, showing a cycle finally, finally closing, karmic lessons completing, and the magician tells me that person is manifesting you, actively thinking, planning, trying to create a new beginning. And 2 of Cups here is so pure. It's a reconciliation energy, mutual love, emotional balance, a sacred union, choosing each other again from heart. So please forgive them, give them one more chance, this particular relationship, to repair this, because this is going to turn into a long term. This person has planned a lot of long term things, long term planning with you. They will answer everything, every question you had in your mind. Currently their ego is still a little high. Give them that space, allow that peace, trust them. This time this person is going to be yours forever. Make sure you send this read to yourself. Increase the vibration every time that you claim, follow, and increase